We made it, everybody. We made it to UTV Takeover. We are here right now. It is Monday night. Takeover has not started yet. Look at this beautiful sunset. Is that not beautiful, guys? Comment below. Have you ever been to Sand Hollow in St. George, Utah? Or Hurricane, whatever you want to call it. This place is awesome. It has rocks, sand, cliffs that are very scary, so don't fall off of them. We're here with our crew that helped us in our motorhome get unstuck the other day. Thank you so much. That's how the video ended, last video you guys watched. So anyways, we got Peter, Marissa, Mike and the kiddos, Patty Mayo. We got Brad and Mike, another Mike. There's like 15 mics here. Anyways, guys, I'm not gonna be doing much talking tonight. I just wanted to say hi and let you know that we made it here to Sand Hollow and we're safe. And the sand is washboardy. It's like not comfortable at all right now because Trail Hero was just here and they definitely destroyed the sand and it hasn't recovered since they've been here, which sucks. But anyways, I just want to say welcome to the UTV Takeover series. Krista's back at home with baby Miles. I was kind of hesitant about her coming out right now because the bumps are so bad in the sand no matter where you go, and I even went a different route to get here and it was still just terrible. But we got lots to come in this series. Sand Hollow is definitely one of my favorite places for Takeover. I'm just excited that you guys can come along for the ride. If you're new subscribers and you haven't seen any of our Takeover stuff, you should go watch it. You should go give it a watch. Anyhow, love you guys. I'm gonna go hang out with some friends for a little bit, scoot back to Krista and baby Miles, and just enjoy the rest of my night. But I guess for now, it's goodbye. Ooh, there we go. We got William there. We made it to Toquerville Falls, guys. Toquerville, Tacoville, I don't know what it's called. But man, it's dusty. If you could see my shirt right now, this is crazy. Oh, look at the little family picture going on. Got Mike and Marissa down there, Amy and Mike right there. We got all kinds of people coming. 13 people. This is a fun little ride, guys. Very simple if you'd like to come to Toquerville Falls. Very easy to get to. There's a slight teeny tiny bit of rock crawling, but it's fairly easy for the most part. So nobody's gonna struggle. Hell, I saw a Subaru Outback. They gave up at the very end because there is one sketchy part. But if you'd like to come out here in your Expedition, Can-Am Defender, a Polaris Razor, something like that, you will not have a problem at all getting here. Look how pretty that is right there. Very beautiful. You can apparently take a trail and go down there. Let's go take a walk down there. I really wanted Krista to come. I think that baby Miles would have ended up suffocating to death because the dust is like, that's one thing about these long trips whenever we go on them, is you end up like in the desert a lot, you end up getting like just really nasty nosebleeds and just Let's take a walk, shall we? Apparently there's a trail somewhere over here. Aha! Right here. So if you're looking at the falls there, there's a lake there, or well, not lake, but a little bed of water. You come around this side and you end up at a trail. And the trail takes you down. I'm gonna record myself falling down. Don't speak it into existence and it won't happen. Don't hike in your sandals. Oh, that's cool. Look at this. Wish Krista could have came. Oh. Yeah. Oh wow, so there is a whole pool of water. You can go swimming down there. That's cool. Yeah, these really cool. So one thing that's really cool about Utah is you can see a lot of different layers and there's colors. And I think it's pretty awesome that you can just see all these awesome vibrant colors. I love Utah, southern Utah especially. What do you think, Will? Do you like it, buddy?
It's pretty nice.
You like it?
Yeah. See all layers and rock and everything?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I like how it's like, you can see the colors and the...
Yeah. You know, it kind of reminds me of when I was at Jordan back in 08 when I was flying around. They actually saw stuff like this. You see some purples and deeper oranges too in Jordan.
Oh, really?
It's really nice, yeah.
I thought it was all like beige out there.
Oh, no, not in the mountains like this. Like mountains like this, it changes color too.
Ah, nice. It's pretty cool though, guys. I highly recommend if you're coming out, if you're gonna stay in the St. George area, you got a street legal machine, definitely come out for the day and ride out here, man. It's cool. It's very relaxing. You can sit on the rocks and hang out next to a nice pool. Yeah. This is Mike's dad. This is Buddy. Just like my parents, they have a dog named Buddy. He's pretty cool. He just chills. So anyways, guys, I'm just gonna sit here, chill for a little bit, enjoy the nice cool air because it was getting like 700 degrees inside my car. Because in a Pro R, when the fan turns on, it just blows all the hot air on you and it's horrible. It's terrible. So we're gonna sit and relax. All right, guys, we had some snacks, some gummy bears, some chocolate crackers, cinnamon pretzels. And now we're gonna walk back up the trail and head back. I've got to get to the bank. Yeah. So the day shall continue. It's just this part of the day is gonna end for a second. Made it back to camp. Oh my God, I'm so dusted up. Poor Patty Mayo, she looks like a tornado went through a desert and just dumped it all on her. We found baby Miles and Krista.
Hi.
Say hi, baby Miles.
Hi, baby Miles. Hi, everybody.
You know, we got Clint and J-Mom. They made it here. That's awesome. Sawyer's driving. Got Mike over there. He's showing Dallas her little toy she gets to play with for a second.
Not a toy.
Oh, excuse me, not a toy. I apologize.
It's a razor.
It's a razor. Okay. These things are sick, guys. Have you ever seen a Polaris Ace 570? They're single seaters. That's why they call them an Ace.
I have a cup holder over here.
Do you really? What are you gonna put in there? An apple juice?
Anything I want, probably buy spray.
Anything I want. Anything I want.
Soda?
Yeah. It's pretty cool though. It's a nice machine. It's a nice unit you got there. Oh, did you put the car seat in there?
Yeah.
You're gonna put.
I don't know if it's gonna be. If she can reach the pedals.
They make those extenders though. What do you think? Yeah, Ryder's like whatever. So it's industry night. Industry night ride. Yeah. We're hoping that when Jordan and Dustin get here, that maybe. Oh, there goes Olivia way over there. Oh, you can't see, but yeah, there. Hopefully one night one of our friends that doesn't go on the night ride can watch the kiddos, or watch our kiddo I should say, so Krista can go out. She wants to drive. I gotta find her a day whip. I stole her day whip because reasons. So I broke mine going into the trailer, but it was a fun ride. Like I said, if you guys want to check it out, it's very easy. Anybody can get up there. So that was a cool thing to just do. Now we're gonna go to, basically this is kind of what kicks off the beginning of Takeover, is the industry ride. It's all the vendors.
Vendors have
have to get to work and work all day trying to sell you good stuff.
Yeah, that's right. What do you think, Miles? What do you think,
baby?
Isn't he growing, guys? Look at that. He stares like he locks eyes with the audience. Yeah. Check out this freaking sunset, guys. It's beautiful. Got a few of us over here waiting right now. This is the industry ride for, like I said, the vendors and all that good jazz. And we're gonna have a blast. Wait a minute, is that Corey? Am I missing something here? I'm so confused right now. Like, what's going on here, Corey? I'm really confused right now.
I know there's no green, there's no...
Is this still the same car?
No.
Oh!
No, I sold my car at Sand Show.
I'm even more confused at whose car is this?
So, I got a hold of Nick Bruce that owns Adrenaline Power Sports and, was it Casa Grande, south of Phoenix? Yeah. And he said, well, how about I put a car into demo mode for you and you can take it for the week.
Demo mode. Does that mean slow?
No, that means
the belts burn on this one.
What the heck are you doing in a freaking Forestry? What is going on here? What? I'm so confused because I'm like looking for all of y'all and everything, and I'm like, where's Corey at? And well, there's Corey.
Him on 2 wheels.
Yeah.
So funny to me. He's like, you've never been here. I'm driving, and I was like, no one's ever driven my Razor, not even my husband.
Who's driving? Sketch?
Yeah.
Oh. Good. Good luck. No, Sketch knows how to drive. He's fine.
He knows how to drive in 4 wheels.
I've only ended up on my top once.
Well, this will be interesting. Peace be with you, and also you. What does demo mean? Demo mode? Does that mean you can drive?
Demo means the dealer, it's like those demo cars down there. They just pull it out and put it into demo status to where I can put as many miles. I've put 120 miles on it already.
Oh, but it doesn't say that.
It doesn't say that.
Oh.
So that means somebody would be able to buy this car for a discounted price.
With 0 miles on it.
No, it'll still have the miles on it.
Oh, okay.
But it'll be, they can buy it used.
Ah, okay. In case you guys are wondering and you don't watch our channel, this is Corey Levin. He is our courageous nighttime leader. He takes us on some of the fastest, funnest rips. He's a great driver, great guy. He has a terrible choice in manufacturers that he likes. But other than that, I kid. Yeah, Can-Am for life. Looks like we got a nice little row of people lining up. This is gonna be fun. We got Rowdy Hammers. I don't even know what that is, but I like it. Are you a YouTube channel? Rowdy Hammers. Oh, I like your little horns. You got a turbo on here?
I do.
Ooh, we got a little turbo on here. Ooh, nice. What kit is that?
Weller.
Weller. Oh, I tell you what, I think Weller's got some of the cleanest stuff out there.
Oh, especially for the YXZs.
My buddy put one on his son's car, just a Weller exhaust and a tune, and totally night and day. Totally night and day.
They do super good. I want to see how it does here in Utah.
Is this your first time out here?
Yeah, I've always been everything in Oregon, but...
Oh yeah, these aren't really like Oregon dunes. It's not really, I mean, there are dunes back there, but it's like...
It's hills with sand on them.
Yeah, there's a lot of fun sand trails, so don't like get discouraged. There's a lot of rock crawling too, but for the most part, there's a lot, you can get really hardcore out here. So I hope y'all have fun. I mean, and look at the view. Like, if nothing else, at least it's pretty.
Oh yeah.
So it's nice to meet you guys. I'm Jonathan with Off-Road Diaries. If y'all need anything, ask Sketchy. He'll take care of you. Greg, how long are you gonna hold the starter on that thing, man? You're already...
It does its own thing.
Does it really?
Yeah.
This thing looks like it's almost brand new. Are you the husband? No. Oh.
He's deployed. He just left for guitar.
Oh.
He actually just got on the plane to
Good man. Like that. Fighting for our country. Nice. Oh, that's okay. Y'all are having fun. Sketch, be safe. You got minis in there?
Oh yeah.
Don't be sketchy.
Oh God. That's funny. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. bike screams, ladies and gentlemen, like a roller coaster ride. We made it to the top of the world. Good rip. We kind of got broke up with some of the crowd, but that's okay because it's beautiful sunset, beautiful people. Night rides, guys. If you come to UTV Takeover and you never go on a night ride, you're dead wrong. I'll give you a ride if you don't want to drive your own car. Yeah, so we got people. This is where everybody comes to hang out sometimes, check out the sunset like we were doing earlier in this video, which is also last night, but now it's tonight because technically it's the same video, but it's a different day because that's how things go with Off-Road Diaries. We love you guys so much. We're having a blast so far, and Takeover hasn't even started yet. And what do we have next, Matt?
We have Wednesday and the official start of UTV Takeover. Right. Tomorrow we got a lot of activities going on, a lot of family-friendly stuff. Not quite getting into the big boy stuff yet, but you know, every day is fun.
We'll get there.
Yeah. We'll get there.
What's Corey doing?
What is Corey?
Is that a missile launcher?
Corey is launching.
Oh, how you doing on your learning process, bro?
I'm learning.
Have you tried the simulator?
Oh yeah.
My friend's son just got one. He's been practicing on the simulator this whole time, and he said that's the best way to learn.
The best way to learn is put these goggles on and do it.
So Corey's got a new FPV drone that he's been learning how to fly. I can barely fly a normal drone, so yeah.
No, you'll get there.
One day.
Yeah, you'll get there.
I don't know, my wife
That's what I work on. I don't fly unless I work on it.
Ooh, sweet, you got some archery.
Look at all these people here, guys. This is great. We got Clint and J-Mom over there.
Oh yeah.
Got a sick Pro R just pulled up, fully DRT'd out. Got our friends from DRT here. If you don't know who they are, you must be underneath a sand rock.
We're just